This is Lockers Unboxing, realist t-shirt that I got from Lockers. And me and my friend here, who's coming, we both got the same shirt on the same day today. We just got it like 30 minutes ago, and now we're trying to make a video. And yeah, we both got this shirt, Lockers. And with that, of course, the packaging slip, which my friend will show you up on the screen. And we both got to real congratulations to say, I don't know, that they're pre-launching. And only my friend got this sticker from Lockers, but I didn't get it. I don't know why. Alright, and here's some questions for you. How many points do you have?
Well, I have 1,500 points.
Oh, so what are you planning on buying from those points?
I think I will buy Xbox, $56 for that. With 2 games.
And 2 games. Alright, and yeah. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in our next, you'll see us in our next video, called Lockers 360 Unboxing.
Peace out.
Alright, thank you. Let's have more than 20,000 ratings.